In this video we will go through the MACMAZZA software tools that help operator to perform ordinary maintenance activity independently and without specific technical skills. That gives to the customer the possibility of not requiring external support services. Please access the maintenance page by clicking on the debugger button, then status, and finally then machine parameters. This interface communicates when and how ordinary maintenance activity must be performed. In the right time, the system generates an audible alarm that reminds user which activity is needed. By clicking the message, the software opens a video tutorial that shows to the user how to execute the related maintenance operation. For example, if we receive the blade change notice, by clicking on that message, a video tutorial about how to perform the operation is launched. When the saw blade runs the target amount of meters set it as limit, the software indicates the warning message, "Please change saw blade." Clicking on the message automatically starts the video tutorial which shows exactly how to change bearings from linear rails. If the aligner reaches the number of movements set it as target, the software display the relative alarm. Clicking on the alarm, the operator will play the video tutorial showing how to do that relative maintenance activity. Again, if the software shows the pusher warning, by clicking on the message the operator will start the tutorial video showing how to do the related maintenance activity. If the software generates the maintenance alarm relative to the charger screws, clicking on the message the operator will start the video tutorial showing how to do the maintenance. Thanks for watching, and feel free to contact our staff at the link below.